Hey guys. Sorry, Francis, I don't speak Spanish. So I don't know what you said. I apologize. So today was just Detective O'Quinn, who was part of the Homicide Bureau for 27 years, 6 years in homicide, and then 9 years in Special Victims Unit. What I found out today is that he was the training, I believe he was the training officer for Detective Uribe, who we heard about yesterday with the, who did the interview, who had the recording of the interview with Mr. Aguirre. So he wasn't necessarily on the case on May 22nd. He was told about it, kind of advised, and so that way he knew it was happening in case he had to be on it. And then of course, you know, he had to be, so he's familiar with all the evidence. They just kind of verified all the evidence today, talked about the 3 searches that were done at the apartment, finding all the cell phones, 2 pairs of handcuffs, metal BBs, a handcuff key, wooden club, black bat. So there were 10, this is something I probably didn't really understand until he explained it today. 10 different type of BB guns, or 10 BB guns. 9 of those were airsoft plastic, and 1 was a high-powered CO2 BB gun that shot metal BBs. They also recovered a metal baton, which expands, like you've seen with the police, how they have the ones that just kind of like they flick it and it comes out. There was one of those. Lighters, bandanas, sponges, data cord. And he was present for the drywall removal, which was the piece that was hidden behind the picture. The picture was moved. I don't know if I told you this before, but there was a picture on a wall and it was on one side of the room, but it was then moved to cover the dent that was in the hole after they smashed Gabriel's head into it that fatal night. And he talked about the box that they made him sleep in, and it was an insert that was installed into the apartment. It wasn't something that was already there, so it was something that they installed. And then the prosecution ended with their questioning. They just kind of verified all these pictures and all the evidence that was submitted at that time, and they rested. So the next thing that happened was the defense moved to dismiss count 1 in special circumstances in regards to Mr. Aguirre, which was denied. Great. And then the people declared a lot of the evidence that was not going to be introduced to the jury. So all the evidence that was withdrawn is now submitted as Exhibit 8 to the court's records, so that way they have it for future reference. So one thing to note is that now that the prosecution has rested, we are going to move into the defense portion of the trial. So there's no court tomorrow. There's no court for the rest of this week. Court picks back up on Monday. They have session Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, and then they're off again until the following Monday. So quick and easy today. Just testifying that the evidence was the evidence that he collected and saw. And actually he was the one that provided the evidence to the people, so that was something that was helpful. And then other than that, I think that was pretty much it. So if you have any questions, feel free to ask, and I'll probably get back to you or ask on the Facebook page. But I am now going to jump into Denny's and grab breakfast. I haven't eaten yet. So everybody have a good day, and thank you for watching. Peace.